Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, y'all. I know I've been gone a minute, but let's get into this quick weave. Yo, look at all this hair. Yo, So first we starting out by braiding it down. Y'all, when I tell you, killing me. So I sped this up a little bit and cut some of it out. But right here, we gonna stop and then, put on that glue protectant, ladies. You're gonna have to put that glue protectant on. That's the only way it's gonna lay, and protect your hair and you don't lose any hair. So right here is some beauty supply hair I found. But it definitely gave what it needed to give. So I did appreciate that. So y'all go back, rewind, screenshot it, because it's definitely good for a quick weave. And right here I'm just tracing out like the perimeter of where the quick weave, like the cap should stay on or whatnot. I was having a little trouble, but yeah. So right here, I'm just going on and gluing the hair. And it's easier ways to do it than I'm doing it. I was just rushing, laying it, and excuse my stomach, y'all. It's been a long day, as y'all can tell, looking at my clothes. Long day of clients. So I was just trying to at least get cute. So you're going to keep on going with that black. And then I had these colors that I wanted to add for a little pop. So I didn't really have no order I was going in. I was just laying, putting these in and just trying to do something that I hadn't seen. Really just do something different. So I just layered those up. You're going to see. So hopefully you still here with me, and this is the next day that I was talking about. So I was coming in to lay down my leave out. As you can see, it's very thick, and it's sitting on swell. But we finna definitely gonna press this on now and get it laid, honey. So I'm using two products right here. That's the Paul Mitchell straight off the press, and some Chi Silk Infusions. So I'm using the back of that hot comb, the most important step. You see how I'm swirling it to the back? Make sure you swirl that comb to the back, and it's gonna really lay it down. So right here, I'm giving y'all like just a little snippet. Spray it, not that close like I did though, but it's okay when I do it. But you spray it, make sure you get it distributed throughout the hair. Get that Silk Infusion, my fave. Then you rub it down, get it through there, and then we're gonna press it out. Now I want y'all to see how it's gonna press out. So right here, when I was telling y'all to bend that comb like that. It didn't burn or nothing like that, but make sure you bending the back of it. Like you getting the bone of the comb to make sure it's laying it down really good. And right here, I'm gonna go behind it with a wax stick just to make sure it's, you know, blended really good into the quick weave or whatnot. Yeah. Now, come on, y'all. Now, y'all see that blend? It's giving quick weave already on top. Leave out blended. Real good. So, this hairstyle was really just rushed. I'm trying to cut me a little layer. I'm just trying to get me just a little, you know, a little shink that ain't going on. Right here, I know I messed up. But it's okay. So make sure you clip it and just try to hold everything in place. Right here, I was just checking to make sure, you know, it was curling like I needed to. Because this is my first time using this hair too. So I didn't really know how it was going to curl. But it did pretty good. I was checking for it. Making sure it was giving, babe. In hair school, they taught us don't check your curlers by your face because you might end up burning yourself. So don't be like me. But yes, go through, make sure you curl it, pin it, same routine. This is me checking it out. Yeah. It's giving silk press. For real, for real. I couldn't get my camera right. But it's definitely giving what I thought. But I got some good videos at the end of the video, y'all. So I'm getting ready to go ahead and do my little edges, baby. I was trying to work them all down. Yup. Eat them up. Ate them. Yup. Swirling, curling it. But my hair is so soft, y'all. So, like, product and stuff don't really stay, like, good laying down for my hair. So, I was having a time with it. And my hair revert right back soon as some product touch it. So, I was struggling trying to get this. But this the finished look, y'all. I got a couple videos at the end that's better than this. But this was right after I let the curls drop. And plus, it was some pack hair that was straight. So, of course, it's not going to hold curl too good. But it definitely was cute. It served its purpose. Just me doing something super quick. So, thank y'all for watching. like, comment, and subscribe, and we can get this thing going, y'all. Yes, $1 Million Coat.